Hi.
Hi, this is Richard from Vcom International Ltd. And right now I would like to promote one product for you. It's a 16K HDMI 2.2 cables.
So how soon is on the market?
Yes, right now we just promote these products in this year because the HDMI just launched this version 2.2 in this year.
And your company do some very interesting HDMI cable also, right? Like this,
yes.
For example.
Okay, so like this is the ultra thin HDMI with the 8K resolutions.
This is 2.1 HDMI?
Yeah.
And so thin?
So thin is OD is 2.5 minimum.
How you can make it so thin?
Because we're using is the coaxial conductor in size. It's not like the trace conductor as before. We're using this brand new technology, the coaxial technology.
And you also have this kind of plug that go this way. What is the maximum length?
Yeah, the maximum length around here is 2 meters.
And the stable quality?
Yeah, stable quality in 2 meters.
Nice. And which other cable you want to show here? What is this one?
Wow, this is the 8K. It's also the 8K HDMI AOC is named the Active Optical Cables.
This one also AOC?
Yes, also the AOC.
So it can be very long?
Very long. It's up to the 100 meters.
Nice.
Yeah.
And how's the price and the quality for your company?
Yes, our company, our quality standard is the middle and the high ends, and the price is very competitive if you compare to the other markets, because we have our own brand, Vcom.
Nice. I really like those cables. The thin. It's nice to have such a thin cable. Which other cable you want to show here?
Yes, over here. And over this part is the USB-C to C cables. Okay, we can open it. There's more and compatible with the USB4 standard. It's up to the 240 watts and the 40 Gbps, and the video up to the 8K resolutions.
Nice.
And the last one is also the USB-C to C cables with the multi-functions. You see here is the lighter. The lighter is if you're doing smoke or maybe you go outside, nice. You want to
start fire,
and you just put it with the USB with power bank and they open it. Okay, right here, bro.
Nice.
Oh,
nice. Cool. All right. So how about what is this cable? The Cat 8. You have some interesting.
Yes, Cat 8. Cat 8 cable, the brand new. Yeah, flat one. It's up to the right here is 40 Gbps.
Nice.
2000 mHz.
And here it says next generation.
Oh yeah, it's a 60K radio support. And the USB4 cables. It's compatible with the Thunderbolt 5 and the Thunderbolt 4.
So 80 gigabits Type-C.
Yeah, Type-C. 240 watts power
How do you make a cable such speed? What is special design inside?
Oh, actually, the cable is produced is up to the USB organizations, and they will send all the information, and we produce with.
You just add more copper, more whatever is needed.
Yeah, more copper, and high tech inside with the
better testing.
I can see that is the IC, the EMAC. EMAC is the chipset inside.
Inside here.
Yeah, the chipset, the EMAC. So nice. Can reach the high speed.
Nice. And right here I see also a bunch of adapters. So for example, when you do this one, it's a female to male.
Yes, female to male.
Just convert. All right. Oh, I'll just put it back.
Yeah,
like this.
And the very interesting one is the transparent case, and with the displays, small display here. So that after you connect the device, you can see the voltage you are working, operating.
And what is this one, the transparent 8K HDMI? What it will do? It will also show something?
Yes, it's mainly is for example, you have the TV, right? You just put the adapter on the TV, and you can change different cables. It's no need to hurt the port or for the TV. So you just hurt this port because we've been moving out, moving in and out. So that it saves the TV.
But the transparency is just to show cool stuff, no display.
Yeah, just cool things we produce.
All right. And if I go over here, you also have some. This is cool. This is 80 gigabit per second.
Yeah, 80 gigabit.
Thunderbolt 5.
Thunderbolt 5, and also compatible with the USB4, USB 3.2 generations.
So a stable, sustained speed, 7,000 megabytes per second for 1 hour, 3 hour, it will just work?
Yeah, sure, because we inside here, we can open it. Okay, we can see the fans inside. The fan, they will make the SSD the more colors, so we can keep the same speed.
But all the power comes from one Type-C for the fan. No need to connect extra power.
No need to check extra power.
And this one, can you show? This is dual.
There's dual
NVMe.
SSD inside.
And they go to 40.
And yeah, go to 40 gigabits.
I know this one is 20, but you also have a 40 here.
Yes, USB4.
All right. How's the market going for this? Because memory is more expensive.
For these situations, we still have some of the company, they are doing some solutions, and they will make the special products for their own end customers. So we do still have the market in these areas.
And where's your company based? Where's your factory?
Yes, we are headquartered in Guangzhou, our factory in Dongguan City. So if you are interested, you can come to visit us.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.